Your engine is one of the most expensive parts of your car, but most people are slowly ruining theirs without even knowing it. In this video I will show you 5 everyday driving habits that can quietly destroy your engine over time. If you stop doing these things, you can save thousands on repairs and keep your engine healthy for years. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any important tips. First one, always driving at low RPM. Keeping your revs slow sounds smart, right? Better fuel economy, less engine wear? Well, not always. If you are always driving below 1500 revs, especially in modern cars, your engine doesn't get proper oil circulation. Over time, this can cause something called cylinder wall glazing, which means your engine loses compression and burns more oil. Plus, carbon buildup becomes a more problem, especially in direct injection engines. How to fix it? Mix it up. Let the engine rev a bit sometimes, especially on highways. Don't be afraid of 4 or 5000 RPM. Your engine was built for it. Second one, using the wrong oil is slow death, you won't even notice. You would be shocked how many engines died just because someone poured in whatever was on sale. Modern engines need specific oil, the right grade, the right type and the right spec. Wrong oil, poor lubrication, higher temps and sludge builds up. Especially bad for turbocharged and high compression engines. What to do? Don't guess. Check your owner manual and use the oil your engine was built for, or be ready to replace it. Next one really gets on my nerves and it's more common than you think. If your gas light is always on, you are asking for a trouble. Your fuel pump sits inside the tank and needs fuel around it to stay cool. When the tank is low, it runs hot, and that shortens its life. Although the dirt and the sediments settles at the bottom of your tank, that gets sucked into the system and clogs filters and injectors. And once your injector starts misfiring, guess who pays the price? Yes, it's your engine. Solution: keep at least 1/4 tank in there and your pump, injectors and wallet will thank you. Next one, a real engine killer. If your coolant is low, your radiator is blocked and your fan fails, your engine starts to overheat. Your temp gauge climbs, but the car still moves, so you keep going. Yes, new cars often warn you, some reduce power, but many cars will still let you keep going. And that's exactly how you can end up cracking a block or blowing a head gasket in just one trip. What to do? If you see the temp gauge rising, don't wait. Pull over, let the engine cool, driving through it never ends well. 5. Hard acceleration in high gear. Modern cars have 8 or 9 gears now, and people often cruise at high gear, even at low speeds. Then they press accelerator hard and the engine starts to lag. This puts tons of pressure to your connecting rods and bearings. Do this often enough and it's engine rebuild time. If you need power, like when merging or passing, drop a gear or use sport mode. Let the engine rev higher. That's what it's designed to do. To summarize, these habits seem small, but they do real damage over time. If you learned something today, hit like and subscribe. Bye!